Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today, and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to install APK files on iPhone or iPad easily without computer. Previously, I shared a tutorial on how to install an APK on an iPhone, but the method is a bit complicated and requires a lot of settings and steps to install it. In this video, I will show you how to easily install an APK on an iPhone or iPad without a computer, and it works 100%. And work to any iPhone or iPad models and iOS version as well. First of all, open your Safari browser or Chrome. Then open this website, ughphone.com. Then log into this website via Google, Apple ID, or your Facebook account. After that, simply click Skip to continue process. Then click this button to get free gift package to install APK on your device for free. Click the box icon. Then you will get a free diamond to get access to APK Files installer. Click Redeem, then select the free server. Buy it with your free diamond. Please wait for a few seconds to processing your device. Click Refresh Order Process to check the device. And wait for a few seconds until the device is ready to use. You can try refresh the page continuously. If the device has finished processing, you can click on the cloud phone. If you are stuck on phone initializing, maybe the browser has a bug, you can try it by adding Ughphone to the home screen, or you can open it by running it in the Chrome browser, because using Chrome will be smoother without any errors. Open Ughphone website on Chrome, then log in back to your account. Then click Cloud Phone and wait phone initializing. After that, open Tool Center. Then install Easy APK Installer. After that, you need to the APK files that want to install. Open Chrome on this cloud. Find the APK files, then download. After downloaded, install APK files directly. Allow from this source settings before installing the APK files. After that, you can install any IP files on your device directly without limit and without computer. So, only in this way can you install IP files on iOS like on iPhone or iPad. There is no other way than using the Android operating system to install the APK, because the APK only supports and runs on Android. With the help of the Android cloud, you can install the APK files you want and run them on your iPhone. This is the best solution to install APK on Apple devices for free. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need help, leave your comment below so I will guide you to install APK files on your iPhone or iPad. See you on the next tutorial.